the Tronsmart Apollo Bold. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Tronsmart Apollo Bold True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds feature active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a multi-language user guide, a Type-C charging cable, assortment of ear tips, and a storage pouch. The Apollo Bold features 10 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 1 hour, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm 5124 chipset, AAC, SBC, aptX codec, touch controls, USB-C for charging, ANC and ambient sounds, and it's IP45 water resistant. The case has a circular design and it's small in size. It's plastic all around with a matte finish, and it's easy to grip. On the top, you have the Tronsmart branding. On the front of the case, you'll find the status LED. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is easy to open and close and has a snap to it. Earbuds are held into place by magnets and they're easy to remove from the case as well. You can see the ear indicators on the top. The earbuds are a bit larger and has a wider diameter. You have the ear markings on the inside, and on the outer face it has a gold accent along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds feature charging contacts, in-ear sensor, interchangeable ear tips, touch controls, LED, and microphones. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. These also have volume controls, and to toggle the ANC and ambient features, it's just a triple tap to cycle through. There is a voice prompt that will indicate what setting you're on. The case comes in at 2.3 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 44 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 13 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be?
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tronsmart Apollo Bold microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I found the microphone quality to be very good. Other parties had no issues hearing me during calls, and they came in loud and clear. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Apollo Bold. They were easy to put on and it sits well in my ears. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals, and I think this is due to the design since it has a larger base. Touch controls help in reducing pressure when navigating. Build and quality is fair. Simple plastic case design. The earbuds are a bit on the larger side, but once seated in your ears, they don't protrude out as much. Touch controls are a little bit sensitive, and I found them to activate when I'm just adjusting the earbuds with just a swipe of a finger. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 10 hours and 30 with the case. Having the ANC feature on will reduce it a few hours. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating along with wireless charging. The active noise cancelling feature worked as advertised, and it can reduce up to 35 decibels of the surrounding noise. I think it's in line with many of the earbuds that I have tested with the ANC. The ambient feature was also able to pick up the surrounding environment when activated. They came in loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in pronounced and tight. It sounds accurate and not too airy. Just enough and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there is good separation and depth. I like the overall sound stage, and it just sounded well balanced for me. And you may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. I feel that Tronsmart has released a solid pair of earbuds. It does come in a competitive environment since many of the earbuds have ANC and ambient sounds, but these in my opinion rank up there. So that is my review of the Tronsmart Apollo Bold True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.